The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lee County in north-central Illinois, southwestern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, until 6:45 p.m. At 6 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Emerson to Tampico, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Oregon, Mount Morris, Amboy, Polo, Franklin Grove, Lost Nation, Woodhaven Lakes, Grand Detour, Nelson, Harmon, Woodland Shores, Eldena, Wusang, and Nakusa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north-central Illinois.